Hello everyone, I'm CS Sakshi Vivekjan and I'm from Agra. Welcome back to episode 8 of Simply Explaining DPDP Act 2023. So by far we have clearly understood that DPDP Act is there to protect our personal data, right? And DPDP Act is also there to tell businesses how they can process our personal data lawfully. But the question remains how? So this video is an answer to it. DPDP Act protects our personal data by giving control to an individual. Individual here means data principle, which we have already discussed in our previous videos. So the simple rule is no one can use your personal data until you allow it. And that permission becomes consent. And that consent is a testament that your personal data is safe. Now the question comes, what kind of consent we are talking about? What kind of consent is needed by businesses? Means data fiduciary. Again, we have discussed data fiduciary in our earlier videos to process a personal data lawfully. So consent by an individual, consent by a data principle as to that no data shall be collected without permission, no data shall be used beyond stated purpose, no data shall be retained once the purpose is achieved, and no data shall be shared without disclosure. So data fiduciaries to process data lawfully needs consent, rather valid consent. Now valid consent means consent which is specific, that is not vague, that has no hidden terms and where purpose is clearly defined. Consent which is free, no force agreements and no pressure to a data principle. Consent that is informed, no confusions, no conditions. And most importantly, consent that is withdrawable. Means data principal at any point of time can withdraw consent easily. So in short, consent under DPDP forms the base of the Act. And without consent, there is no legal processing. So this is all for today. If you like this video and if you're interested in knowing DPDP in detail, stay tuned and wait for episode number 9. Thank you so much.